Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn how we can add new column in a data frame. In previous video, data frame part 6, I had discussed that how simply we can add a column in a data frame. So let's see why practically. I have created one data frame, name is DF. So you can see here 5 columns are here: Rinku, Ritu, Ganesh, Ajay, Pankaj. Now I want to add new column in data frame new DF. So right there, data frame new DF, and write the name of column. Suppose I want to add Veena, and right there and just pass the value. So in this data frame, each column having 2 rows. You can see here in 0 index and in 1 index. So just pass the 2 values here, 40 and 50. Now see, new column has added. You can see here. But another method that I'm going to discuss is adding new column in data frame by using insert method. So now I'm going to use this one. So how we can add? So what the data frame I have created, new DF, and what you have to do here, use dot operator, insert, and this is a method, or you can say a function. So here you need to pass the index. So I want to add a column in which index. So you can see here the index of column is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 columns are here. Index started from 0. So suppose I want to add new column in index 2. So write the index where you want to insert, write the column name. I want to add column Ram, and then pass the value. So value are here 2 values. So I want to add 90 and 40, and now press enter. So new DF. Now I have added Ram column in index 2. So where the Ram will reflect 0, 1, 2, means in the place of Ganesh, Ram column will be there, and this Ganesh will be shifted right side. You can see here 0, 1, 2. So once again I'm going to discuss that how we can use this insert function or method to insert a column. So this is our new DF is a data frame. I have used insert function. Here you need to pass the index where you want to add a column, name of the column, and the values of that column, and simply press enter. So you can see here. So now what is the difference between the first method, that is a normal method? So in that method, whatever column you are inserting, that will be inserted as a last column. But in particular index, if you want to add a column, so there you need to use insert function, insert method. So I hope how we can add a column in a data frame. Normal method that I have discussed here, normal method. This is a normal method. Simply just use the column Veena with data frame and just pass the value. This is the normal method. This is the common method. But if you want to add a column in particular index, so you need to use insert method. Here the first part is index, second part is name of the column, and the third part is the value of the column. So I hope inserting a column in a data frame you can understand. If you have any query, any problem, any doubt, you can write in a chat box or you can write in a comment box. So I hope the concept of inserting column is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching.